Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you at my MACFOREX YouTube channel. As you know, I always try my best to bring for you the best strategies, to bring for you the good knowledge for my traders, because I always, it's my desire you earn some money in forex market. As you know, forex is like $1 trillion market, but there are many traders, like a maximum ratio of traders which lost the money in forex trading market. So today my video is on the one website, best website, where you can find the trading ideas, where you can find the trading strategies, and as per study the trading ideas and strategy, you can make decision for entry and exit point. For example, if you are a new and you don't know what is happening in forex market and what is the exact prediction, so I think this is the best website. You can open this. Okay, tradingview.com. Okay, so after opening this tradingview.com website, you can get the information of the indices at website. You can get the currencies information like forex currencies. Okay, you can get the futures informations, crypto information and bonds. Okay, but I am doing, because as you know I always try to do trading in forex currencies and commodities. So I will discuss today only currencies. For example, if you are doing forex trading and you want to know, you want to trade in euro USD, you just like come in search bar and type euro USD. Okay, after this you select ideas. Okay, after click, you can see, after clicking you can see different kind of ideas of many, like traders, many professional traders, which they share the ideas at trading platform. For example, and fresh idea you can also see at this page. For example, this idea in investory user, this idea shared before 23 hours ago, but if you want to see the latest idea of your USD, you click at this point, newest. You can see, I will click here. Okay, now you can see before 34 minutes MMFX signal, like maybe this one is expert person, is put the euro USD trading idea. So what he said, you can open this and you can see the prediction of euro USD, what he said. Okay, so now the price is, again you can like come in trading platform and you can see the price first. Now the price is 1.1813. Okay, so what he said, 1.1813, you can see he is giving the selling signal and market is still going down. Okay, so what you see, you can read the detail what this analyst said. Euro USD trading in a downtrend line, price below moving average 100 and around 1.1830, price also below a key level around 1.180, MACD shows decreasing of bearish momentum, relevant strength index below 50. So it's expect the bearish movement to the demand zone around 1.1670. So as per this all study, the prediction is euro USD will go down. Okay, so before enter the trade, you must need to analyze with 2 or 3 different like experts what they said. Okay, 2 hours ago one more expert, basically you cannot say the expert. Basically there are many traders which share the ideas. Okay, so you only can get the ideas, because this is not the confirm, like if there is any person is mentioning market will go down, so it's not for 100% sure market will go down. Market can go up, but you can get different ideas of trading and then you can decide. Okay, so what this analyst said, you can see, he said technical view on the market, which is not an invitation to buy or sell, but only for learning purpose and sharing my thoughts. Attention, always use a proper risk management in trading. Be safe and trade responsibility. Basically he has shown the ideas of this, like this person also shown market euro USD will go down, because you can see from day to day from this point to this point trend was upside, but this point to this point now trend is going down. So possibility market will go down, but you need to study the proper, you need to check the news, you need to check the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, then you can decide what is happening in the market. Okay, so one more I will check. You can see here, but this is a USD Canadian. Okay, Euro USD. This person is also giving the sell signal. You can see. So at this website, TradingView website, you can get very good trading ideas for trading. Okay, so you can see here the many kind of all pairs available here. For example, I check the pound USD. So what he said in US position. Okay, you can see in 15 minutes this analyst said market will go up in 15 minutes like a short term trading, but long term trading market is going down. This is also telling you the going down. This is also down. So you can see down. This one in long term very, but this is your USD. Okay, so you can check the ideas, you can found the best ideas, and after you can trade. So I hope you learn something with this video. My English is not very well, but I try my best to elaborate you in very simple words. So I request to you, please give me comments if you want any kind of further information. I have uploaded many kind of best strategies and videos already at my MACFOREX YouTube channel, and you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number also. I have mentioned in every video description. You can contact with me, and if you want to join the Forex team, our team, you can join us. I will give you the recommendations of the trading as per your own risk and money management, because it's market. In this market nobody is 100% sure what is happening in next minutes, but as per your study, as per your analysis, 70 to 80, 90% you will sure what is happening. So I request like and subscribe my YouTube channel also for further best videos, and how I hope you learn something about this best trading view website for trading different kind of trading ideas. Thank you very much.